Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search for mails in your Gmail by the sender. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. To search for mails in Gmail by the sender, you just simply have to open your Gmail application. After opening Gmail, simply click on Search in Emails option at the top. From there, you can see many options at the top, such as labels, from, to, attachment, date, and so many options. You just simply have to click on this From option here, and from there, you have to type the email address of the person that you are specifically searching for. After entering the email address, simply click on the search button. All the emails by the sender will appear in your Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. We'll meet in another video. Till then, keep exploring Gmail. Thank you for watching the video.